Have you ever wondered if you're actually getting the best rates for your swaps? Or maybe you've been stuck waiting hours, sometimes even days, waiting for your cross-chain swaps to go through, tired of jumping between multiple exchanges just to trade on different networks? Well, say goodbye to all these problems thanks to RocketX, which makes it incredibly simple to compare the rates between 500 plus leading exchanges to get you the best rates for every swap. Choose the fastest route by comparing the time taken for the swap across different exchanges. Swap between 200 plus leading networks via a single intuitive app. And here's the best part, you can even swap without connecting your wallet. In this video, I'm going to give you the tour of the RocketX app that helps you act like a pro, whether you are a beginner or a long-term crypto investor. We are going to break down everything you need to know to simplify crypto trading. All you need to do is go to app.rocketx.exchange, then click on Connect Wallet on the top right-hand corner. If you don't see the wallet that you use, no worries. You can click on Try Walletless and you can swap without connecting your wallet. Then type in your source network in the network tab and select it. Then type in the coin name or the contract address. If you want to send these tokens to a different recipient address, you can toggle the recipient address and paste the wallet address. Below you can choose whether you want to go for the best rates or the faster codes. If you want to go full pro mode, you can tap into the swap settings and adjust the slippage tolerance to ensure the platform works just the way you like it. Don't worry if you are just starting out your journey in DeFi. You can let it be default and it will work just fine. Once you are ready with a quote of your choice, just click on swap and approve the transaction. Congrats! You have just successfully traded your first token. Trading is open 24/7, no registration, no login required, not even connecting your wallet. Welcome to the trenches. You can always go to history to check your previous transaction. If you face any issue with the swap, go to help and raise a ticket. Our team is happy to help you. Any token, anywhere, anytime. Just RocketX. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.